like, hello guys, it's Christian here, and today we are going to be doing how to make Lulu bite you or something. It's easy for her to bite you because she'll just bite you as soon as you probably touch her. But anyways, come here, Lulu. Come here, Lulu. Come here, Lulu. Hey, Lulu. So here she is right here. Say hello, Lulu. And she don't want to. So, yeah, here's my puppy right here. She lives here. My little friend. And she just bites me. It's easy to let her bite you because she'll get growly and stuff. Dude.
The name's Kurtzman. I was a journalist on the case of a missing scientist last year. And then I discovered something much bigger.
So give you at least bark.
The alien infiltration
I'm telling you, it's really easy for her to bite you because she's about biting right now. See?
thousands of years.
I mean, see how easy it is.
Without a specific
Dude, stop.
They spent millennia
Hello?
shaping humankind's genetic
She's
code
biting me.
until finally, your mother was taken by the crane before you were born. Then she was experimented on.
So anyways, we need to get Lulu out of here, so
Your DNA can perfect the
let's get her out of here. I'm back, guys. I'm back. So hopefully y'all will not watch this, but y'all maybe. But who knows? Subscribe, leave a notification on the like, and send a like if you'd like to. Peace out.